Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Catherine and I post fashion, styling videos and vlogs. You can also find me on Instagram and now on TikTok at catherinellaine. That's kind of where I hang out on a more day-to-day basis kind of thing. I know that we are heading into that season of giving, so we may be shopping for our loved ones or even shopping for ourselves for that matter, but I thought I would create this video and give you guys some gift ideas. When it comes to gifts, I think it's very personal and really depends on the individual that you are giving it to. So this list may not be for everyone, but I thought I would just share with you some things that I've enjoyed or my friends and family have enjoyed in hopes that it may help you as you're shopping for your loved one as well. I'm just going to go right down the list. We're just gonna keep it casual, keep it very lighthearted, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. So the first gift idea that I have is perfect for someone who loves home decor, really likes to make their house smell nice and fresh. This is the stone diffuser from the brand Vitruvi. They have a move diffuser, stay diffuser, but my favorite is the stone diffuser because it is crafted out of high quality porcelain. It just looks really, really nice, especially if you put it on your desk or your bedside table. I have mine running throughout the day and it just naturally scents my home because it uses essential oils. You just pour in a certain amount of water, add your essential oils, and it just diffuses for, it has a 4-hour setting, an 8-hour setting. They also have so many beautiful different colors as well. They also have different blends and kits that you can add to your gift. I have been using their holiday essential oil blends. One of my favorites is Fireside. It really makes my home feel warm and inviting and just super cozy. There's a lot of different options on there and I think you can personalize it to whoever you are giving it to. And I think it's just a sweet gift that they could really appreciate it because not only is it super gorgeous, but it's also functional as well. Next thing I have on my list is something for like an everyday use. This one is a bag, a tote bag specifically from the brand Samara. I really love their brand. I've talked to you guys about them before. They're doing such amazing things with the profits that they receive. When you give someone something and it's from a brand who also gives back, I think that's what makes it even more special, and Samara does that. But this is the Rianne mini tote. The quality is really, really nice. I was very impressed when I first got this and it's just very easy to use. This is something that's not catered to like a particular style. I think it's safe for anyone, any age, to find this useful. The next gift idea that I think would be so nice to give, especially towards the end of the year, I think stationery, notebooks, or planners are really, really good gifts. One brand I recently discovered was Papier. I'm not the type to jot things down on my phone. I like to jot it out on paper. I like to write it. It's just kind of how I'm wired, and I think for that person who's kind of like that as well, I think this would be perfect for them. If you haven't heard of Papier, I definitely recommend you check them out. They are a company based in London, I believe. This one is a planner, and as you can see, just that minimal design, the quality of the paper is really nice too. That's something that I personally noticed and cared about, and I just love how minimal and sleek the designs are. As you can see, you can break it down by day, and they also have part of the planner where it has like monthly goals, to-do list, important dates, wish list. Also breaks it down on a monthly side as well. I think it's like a really good go-to planner. They also have notebooks too. They just nail the colors so nice. You can also customize it. As you can see, my name is on there. This is just a blank journal. For me personally, when it comes to journaling, I kind of get intimidated by just looking at the blank sheet of paper because I just don't know where to begin. My mind is super cluttered. I was just really excited when I saw this. It is the gratitude journal. So pretty, the design. I'm obsessed. Like I said, I kind of get intimidated with looking at a blank sheet when it comes to journaling, but this kind of guides you, and it's specifically towards being grateful. In the morning, you grab your journal and then it has today's affirmation. One of them says, I am proud of myself, or I embrace possibility. And there's just different ones. You jot down 3 things that you look forward to, and then at the evening, it says, "Today I am grateful for." As you go through this journal, it's very interactive and very reflective. It's just really thoughtful and sweet. Just to get an idea of how cute their packaging is, it's papier. I'll link them down below. I also have a discount code where you can get 15% off your purchase. Next up, I want to talk about jewelry. And I know that my past videos have been about my jewelry, but I have to mention it because I think it makes such a beautiful gift to give, and honestly I don't think you can go wrong with jewelry. No matter who you're shopping for, if it's someone who likes statement pieces or dainty pieces, there is something for everyone on their website. I'm not gonna go too much into it because I have quite a few videos already on some of my favorite pieces, but to name a few, I think some good gift pieces would be this solo diamond bracelet. It would be so nice for anyone. Just someone would really appreciate it because they can wear it for every day. The Charlotte collection, this one is the vermeil bold ring, and then I also have the hoops to match, so if you want to like give them a set, I think that's really nice. The bold boyfriend chain, I think that's classic. I would recommend any of the ones that I'm wearing, but I will just go ahead and link all my favorites down below if you want to go ahead and shop some of my personal favorites that I think would be a more versatile or universal gift for someone you love, someone special. If you are unsure of what kind of jewelry or what size and you want to kind of stay on the safe side and you know that they like jewelry, I think a safe gift would be the jewelry box. I wish I invested in a long time ago before I started growing my collection. You know, when you have these jewelry pieces, it is important to store it in a good box that has like anti-tarnish interior, so it just keeps your jewelry in good condition. So this is the one I've been using from Missouri. They have 2 trays and I think it's just the perfect way for me to store it. They have a black and this color in a bigger size for that person who has a lot of jewelry. So I think they would really appreciate that. And another jewelry box is one from Samara. This one I use when I'm on the go or if I'm traveling. I really like how it keeps it compact and tangle free. Here you have a spot for your necklace or bracelets and a little pouch and 4 compartments and a place to store your rings. Both of these are really great quality, very great brands. Anyone who receives either jewelry pieces or a jewelry box would definitely appreciate it. So I'll go ahead and also link these below. My go-tos when it comes to the holiday season are either lounge sets or chunky knits. That's kind of my go-to. I feel like it's safe and it kind of helps with the cozy element of the holidays. The first thing I want to share with you guys are some chunky knits. One of the places that I've been really liking is Cotton. I really love the knits that they have on their website right now. They're really good quality and they're so nice to wear. This one is a navy sweater. They have it in a beige color as well. It's easy and I think you can kind of be flexible with the sizing. A nice sweater vest would be really cute. I kind of like to go a little oversized when I'm gifting it because sometimes knits, they shrink, but then also, you know, you kind of have some room to be able to go a little bit more oversized with the sizing and still make it work. Or if you're not giving them a chunky knit and you want to give some kind of like loungewear or sets, Tiki's has some really, really nice ones I wear. They're like my go-to actually when it comes to matching sets. This one is that I have here. I'll put some pictures too, so that way, you know, you can see what it looks like. My favorite right now from Tiki's is the Raw Edge set. This one is in black and I just love wearing this all the time. I think loungewear is always safe and a good idea, especially because a lot of us may be working from home or we just want to be cozy, and there's so many different ways to style your loungewear to make it look super cute to wear outside. And Tiki's, the quality, the colorways, the different styles, I think is definitely my go-to, so highly recommend checking them out as well. I think they have the most classic colors. I always like to go to them for essentials for my wardrobe. I think Tiki's has really proven themselves that they are the type of pieces that you want to have in your wardrobe and they will last you for years and years to come. So definitely recommend their brand. So I think chunky knits, loungewear sets, I think, are my go-to gift ideas when it comes to clothing. All right, last but not least, I want to get into some body products. I know it's kind of risky because you never know if that person is going to like that scent or how their skin is going to react. So it really just depends on that person. One of my go-to brands that I like to give is Necessaire, because they offer body products that have no fragrance. The packaging's really nice. I personally really like it, and when I gifted it to my friends, they also loved it too. They have different sets online where you can choose like fragrance free, and even the ones that they do have that are scented are very natural smell, and it just depends. Like, I don't want to say that you can't go wrong with it, because there might be that one person that might be like, ugh, I don't like it. So, you know, fragrance free is always a safe move, and it just makes my skin feel really, really nice, and it's nice to give someone if you want to have them treat themselves. I have the body exfoliator, the body lotion, and the body serum. I gave these as sets last time, and they have some new ones out right now too, so you can definitely check them out. Also, fragrance I think is also a risk move, but I do think this one from Glossier is a nice scent. It's very, I don't know how to explain it, but I always get a lot of compliments on this. This is my go-to, and you know, when I'm out with my girlfriends, they really like it as well. So if you're looking for a nice one, I think this is a good option to give as a gift. That is it for the video. I kind of just breezed through it. I'm a little flustered right now, but hopefully you guys got some gift ideas. If not, thank you for just hanging out and staying till the end of this video. If there's some gift ideas that I haven't mentioned but you think would be really good and someone might find it helpful, go ahead and leave it in the comment box down below. I hope you guys are all doing well. I cannot believe we are already in December. It is crazy, and I have a feeling this month is gonna go by super fast, but I just wanna thank you guys for being here. I'm so grateful for you. Every time I see your comment or I see that someone new is following, I'm just so grateful that you guys are even here and you guys are following along my channel. I'm just so grateful for you, and I hope you know that. If I could, I would give you the biggest hug, but I think a nice virtual hug will do for now. But anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the week. I will catch you next time for another video. Love you. Bye. Mwah.